Hola a todos, ¿qué tal? Soy Cielo Fe, bienvenido a mi canal. So I know I'm super late with this video, but better late than never. Although never late is better. Anyway, I'm finally trying the Olaplex on my heat trained hair. I've gotten so many comments of people asking me to try this stuff, and I just refused to because I didn't really know much about it. And the only reason that I finally bought it is because my boss uses it and she swears by it and she has some great hair. I ended up doing was getting the hair repair trial kit, and it comes with the number 3, which is a hair perfector, a number 4, which is a bond maintenance shampoo, a number 5, which is a bond maintenance conditioner, and then the number 6, which is a bond smoother. I was trying to research high and low, which one do I use, can I use them all? I didn't think that I could use them all, but my boss said she uses them all and she mixes them. Not sure if you're supposed to do that, but I figured I'll just go ahead and try them all. I didn't know what order to go into. Like, for example, I didn't know if I should do the number 3 after I condition the hair or after I shampoo the hair, but I'm just gonna go in order of the numbers. So when I ordered this stuff, my boss actually ordered some too. We ordered it together, and at first I saw her bottles. I was like, man, those are small. She must order the travel size too. No, she ordered the regular size. This is how big the travel size is. The trial size, I should say. Yeah, they played me with this. I use so much more than this amount of product for my hair. But we're just gonna use all the little that they gave me and see if it works. The shampoo is probably the only accurate amount of how much I would actually use, but I'm nervous about the rest of this stuff. But I feel like even if I got the regular size one, which was to me a little pricey, which is another reason why I've been so hesitant, it's just a little pricey for me, is that I'm gonna use that stuff up within 2 uses. So I don't know, we'll see if this is actually worth it. I've been wearing my hair in these pigtails and like buns for the past week and a half, 2 weeks. I can't remember how long I've had this sewing out. But what I actually started doing, which is a little different than my normal routine, is that I started putting vitamin E oil in my hair. And that's because I ran out of coconut oil and avocado oil, which is the oils that I usually use for my hair. But I actually really love vitamin E oil. My hair feels almost like pillows with the oil, which I'm not used to my hair feeling like that with it being blow dried, but yeah, I love vitamin E oil. I also want to try to make this concoction of some oils and things that I've been researching online, so I think I'm going to do that soon. But let me know if you guys want to see a week in my hair. I don't know if you guys still are interested in that. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and start with washing. No, I gotta start with number 3. I didn't even read the directions. So the number 3 repairs and strengthens all hair types. And if you have damaged hair, use it 2 to 3 times per week. Apply on damp, towel dried hair. So I'm gonna wet my hair first, then apply this. Apply generous amount from scalp to ends until the hair is thoroughly saturated. I'm gonna have a lot of fun with that because they didn't really give me that much to thoroughly saturate my hair. Leave on for a minimum of 10 minutes, longer if desired. And then it says rinse from hair for best results. Shampoo with Olaplex number 4, condition with Olaplex number 5. And what I'm actually gonna do too is put that on my hair, let it sit under a shower cap in a hooded dryer for 15 minutes, because indirect heat is always going to give you the maximum benefit from any product. I always swear by a hooded dryer. If you really want to get all that you can from the products that you spend your money on and your length being retained, I always say get you a hooded dryer. I'll put the one that I use linked down below, but if you are planning to be heat trained, this is something that you really need to invest in. But anyway, let's go apply the number 3. So the Olaplex number 3 was really nice. It was a creamy consistency. Of course I used the whole bottle they gave me. I wish I had a little bit more. I'm definitely going to get some more of the number 3, and I am going to really saturate my hair with it. But it left my hair feeling really soft as I was detangling it with my fingers right now. And then after I sat under the dryer for a few, I went ahead and rinsed it out, and I shampooed my hair twice. I used half of that bottle, but I really like the way it lathered up my hair. And then I went ahead and conditioned it. The conditioner was nice. I wish, of course, I had more. The shampoo or conditioner was nothing in comparison to that number 3. So definitely gonna get my hands on more of that number 3. And then of course, after I conditioned my hair, I went ahead and put it under a shower cap again and sat under the hooded dryer for 20 minutes. Alrighty, so I got that all rinsed out. My hair actually has some more definition than it usually does after I washed it, so I can definitely tell it did some. Now I'm going to use the number 6. It is a leave-in reparative styling cream, reduces frizz, nourishes, and protects. The directions says to apply a very small amount to damp or dry hair, concentrating product on your mid-length to ends. Comb through and style as desired. So I'm probably just gonna take, I wasn't expecting it to be like a cream. I don't know, that's probably like half of a dime size. Let's do that on this side. Ooh, this smells good. Okay, so I had a little technical difficulty with my camera, but I think I'm okay now. What I did do while I was trying to get my camera fixed was just detangle my hair. I'm just going to blow dry my hair section by section, and then we'll follow up after I blow dry. I am going to use my GHD paddle brush. I did just do a video comparing the vent brush to just a regular paddle brush, and with the vent brush, if you want to really help with minimizing damage, that is something you should definitely check out. But with the GHD brush, I feel like I get the best of both worlds in terms of the benefits that I get from the vent brush and the benefits I get from just a regular paddle brush. It's time to flat iron. I'm using my Babyliss Nano Titanium. I'm going to link this along with all the other products that I've used in the description box below. I have this on 410. I am going to just go ahead and use this to mature all around my hair. I want to make sure that it does not frizz up too bad. And there's nothing new to my flat ironing technique. If you guys want to know how I flat iron my hair, make sure to check out how to heat train hair. I'll have that video linked. So I am all finished. My hair feels really soft. I'm very impressed with the Olaplex. I was not expecting that. I am suffering from a lot of breakage with my leave out from my sew-ins. Like you can see some of it here. It's kind of frustrating, yeah, this especially. I gotta figure that out. But other than that, I do really like the results. And the number 3, definitely getting the number 3 again. That stuff made my hair feel super duper soft. So yeah, this is my hair. I gotta work on it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Sorry I'm a little bummed right now just because my hair, it's nobody but my fault, but just my hair breakage in the front area is just like, oh, Sierra. Anyway, I'm probably gonna get my hair into some braids and just wear braids for a little bit just to give my hair a break from the heat and try to get it to grow back, retain its length. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know if you have any suggestions for me in the comment section below of what you want to see from me, or if you've actually used Olaplex and what your experience has been. Y bueno, hasta el video próximo. Ciao.
I want to thank me for doing all this hard work.